Hey, what's up? I'm back. I've been fishing today, didn't catch any bass today, unfortunately, but I'm gonna show y'all my little John boat I got. And it is very nice boat here. It's kind of dirty, but still works. This is our brand new charter motor. We just bought this for 130 bucks, I think. Yeah, about $130. But it's a Newport. So very nice. I cannot wait to take this out to the lake again. I haven't been out to the lake in a while with this. But I just bought my brother's Blazer Jeep. So I'm happy about that, so I don't have to ask to take my boat out anymore. I'm gonna take them up here so you can see my Blazer. Take a look at my land again. Well, that's my Jeep now right there. I was hoping that the keys would be in it so I can clean it up, but the keys are not in it, unfortunately. But this is my Jeep. I'm going to be taking my boat out from now on next week. I cannot wait. Pretty big. It's a little bit of gas guzzler, but that's what I need this for my boat. So I'll be taking it out to the lake here next week, so I'm happy about that. Has a lot of room, so I'm happy about this Jeep. So this is the only video I'm going to post today because I got to go somewhere. Won't be back until next week, maybe Sunday night or Monday. But by that time I should be able to take my boat out to the lake so I can catch some bass. Might do some cat fishing too, or carp fishing. But just stay tuned. I'll be back next week. Do some more fishing at the lake this time on my boat. I'm gonna come down here and do some work to my boat a little bit, so I'll see y'all next week.